HTML. Well, when you hear this title or word, you think of web development, right? Well, we can also talk about HTML in WinForms. Welcome guys, and today I want to talk about the HTML label. So what is an HTML label? Well, it's simply a label that allows us to put some HTML tags and the text to be designed accordingly. So let's find our HTML label right there. As you can see here, I've prepared the two text here. This is the first text that does not have any HTML labels. My name is HTML label. Welcome to my tutorial. I don't think you guys will believe that because there are no HTML formatting. So, well, you are not HTML label, you're just a generic label. Don't fool me, I can't be fooled. Right, so let's see how we can put some customizations right there. So what are some HTML tags? Well, these are the examples we have right there. So before we copy and paste there, as you can see, we have the strong tag, we have the I tag, we have the U tag, we have the soup tag, and so forth. So the strong tag allows you to capitalize and not capitalize, but put a strong or bolden text within the text. Of course, I've capitalized myself the HTML, but if this is lowercase, it will still work because the strong tag does not capitalize. It simply puts a bold to the text. It boldens the text within the strong tags. The strong simply boldens the text. The I applies an italics to the text. It italicizes the text within the tags. The U, it underlines. And the soup, well, you see. So let's copy and paste here. This is what we get. So generally this was the first HTML label like this with no formatting at all, and now we can apply some formatting here. As you can see, the strong here, it simply boldens the text. So let's change this here. Let's change here to, let's put the label inside the strong tag. Let's write here label, right, and let's remove this label, something like this. As you can see here, the label is boldened, so the strong simply boldens and other tags are applied, like the welcome, it's italicized, and the tutorial is underlined, and here we can say the soup, that the text is put right there at the top, and the sub as well, which is the opposite, the text to be put in the lower. So the HTML tags allows you to put some strong emphasis on the text or the information that are displaying to the user. These are some of the use case scenarios. Let's say you have a radio button, or I think a radio button will be too obvious in this case. Let's find a checkbox. This checkbox, and let's put another checkbox right there, and let's put another one right there, and the last one right there. Well, we have so many checkboxes, right? Yes. Let's change some styling just a bit so that you can see clearly. Let's change we have the checked state, we have the unchecked state. So let's go to the unchecked state. The border color, the fill color, let's change the fill color to white. Let's change the border thickness to 2. Let's change the border color to black. right? Something like this. And here we can put some text like select only one option, right? Select only one option, like this. I'm sure you have seen some display text like this. Select only one option. So let's put this in the text. This is clear, right? The user can come here and see that they are being asked to select only one option. But what if we apply some text? Well, a general label does not have any HTML support, but the HTML label does. So we can do this. Well, we can change select only. We can take the strong here, come here, and then we can paste it here, one option, paste it here. Select only one option. And let's try to see if we can underline this. Let's come here. Let's take this underline here. Let's come here on one option. Select only one option. Can you see now? This makes a lot of sense, and one option is emphasized. Now when the user comes to this section, they know that they are allowed to select only one option. Let's remove the only and just leave the select one option. I'm sure this makes sense, right? Rather than a select one option without formatting. So when you have information text and the information titles or whatever information display content, you can use the HTML. Does this work when you are setting the code, the text in code? Does this work? Well, we have this label. Let's take the name of this label. Let's go to the background. And here, let's uncomment. Let's change this to 3. Let's come here, let's set. So we have changed the text of this label. And as you can see right there, we have inputted some formatting. We have the strong, we have the on to italize, we have the underline here, we have the so and so forth. So let's run and see. We want to see if the formatting can be applied when the text is coming, for example, in code, and maybe taking the text from the database or from some other source. We are not hard coding the text. Yes, it can be. As you can see here, it has been applied. Yes, it can be really. So you can either hard code the text, or it can come from different sources. For as long as you apply the text, the information will be displayed accordingly. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you are displaying information and you want to put strong emphasis on some phrases or some text or some words, you can use the HTML label and then put the emphasis using the HTML tags. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in